Welcome back to AJ Kitchen Paper. Today we are making 3 types of salmon sushi and a bonus miso soup. Now that Oates has sniffed out the best salmon, I think it's time to dive right in. We'll be making our miso soup with cockles today. So pop your cockles into a bowl with a little bit too much water, then magic it out with some editing tricks. Add some salt, and this just gets rid of any loose sand that's still left in the cockles. And pop that aside for a few hours. Now we're going to sharpen up our knife because we need a very sharp knife to be able to cut our salmon very thin. So the trick here is simple. Just pop your knife in diagonal and then slice it as if you were pulling it towards you. Look at this little wiggly boy, look at him go. And there you have it, perfect sashimi, thin boys. Now just pop them on a plate and we're ready to go. Now we are going to start making our sushi rice. So starting off with the vinegar. So it's 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Nice and easy. Give it a cursory mixity mix, and let's pop it in a bowl with all of our lovely rice, freshly cooked. Rather heat it up in the microwave, don't ask anybody. And then just mix it in until nice and shiny there. Excellent. A little splash of vinegar in some water, and this will just protect our hands from all the sticky rice. Wet your hands with that one. Now it's time to make your salmon nigiri. So pop your salmon on your left hand, give it a little swipe of wasabi. Now just lightly rolling and squeezing the rice together. You want to push down on the top and push down on the sides just lightly to get it into a nice shape. And that's literally it. There you go. Now do that a bunch of times and you've got all these. Pretty boys. Alright, now that they're ready, let's move on to our miso soup. So pop in your cockles, let them boil and open up. Hi guys! And then we're going to add in our miso, very nice and slowly, and some mirin, and that's it. Now let's make our other 2 types of salmon sushi, shall we? So score the top. Now using our specky lighter, we're going to char off our salmon sushi. Keep charring until you've got that nice little bit of caramelization on the top. Now let's try with some mayonnaise on top as well. So char all of that off together. This one is actually really good. Stunning. Now for the last ones, we're going to char these ones off as well, but we're also going to put some fresh onion slices on there with a little bit of mayonnaise. So pop on your fresh onion. Lovely. And now for the mayonnaise. Oopsies, never mind. A little parsley for garnish. And there you have it, miso soup and salmon nigiri 3 ways. Now then, tonight's drink is umeshu. Now this particular bottle isn't actually real umeshu, it is a mix of just alcohol and sugar, but it's still really good. Grab some soy sauce, put a little bit of wasabi on the side to mix in, and let's have a taste test. Now Oates here makes everything look really easy when it comes to making sushi. I can say from my experience you need a lot of practice to get it right. The only real point that I can say apart from how to actually do it is just do it very lightly. You just want the rice to stick together, you don't need it to, be squished together. But practice makes perfect, ladies and gentlemen, so I do hope that you have a go at making your own sushi. Now this miso soup, you don't need to put any dashi stock in because the cockles themselves make the dashi stock for you, and it's such a light and delicate flavour. Back in Australia we use cockles for fish bait, so I was a little bit worried about eating this, but it was actually really good. Now he's got to have to share this all with me, so till next time guys.